Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, the following topics will be covered. So first, we'll open the product master. So we'll go to the menu, click on inventory module and we'll click on products. So we'll select one product. So we'll click on search and we'll copy this item code. So for this video tutorial, we have taken this product, chocolate cookies. Now if you see here, for this product, the base unit of measure is in pieces. But let's say you are selling this product in multiple unit of measures, like in packet of 10, in packet of 6 and in packet of 25. So in such case, in order to sell these products in the following unit of measures, first you need to enter these unit of measures. So first we shall see how to enter multiple unit of measures for a product manually. So we'll click on edit and here in the product UOMs we'll enter the multiple unit of measures. Click on add an item, then here we'll search for the product UOM. So first we'll select packet of 10, then again we'll click here packet of 25, we'll click here again and packet of 6. Now kindly note, before entering the multiple unit of measures, you need to ensure that these unit of measures are first created in the system. And now we shall click on save. So this is how you can enter multiple unit of measures for a product manually. Earlier we saw how to enter the multiple unit of measures manually. So now we'll see how we can import these multiple unit of measures for a product. So we'll first click here and we'll delete these 3 multiple unit of measures. We'll save it. And now we shall see how to import the multiple unit of measures. As for this video tutorial, we are importing the multiple unit of measure for this product only. But there might be situations where you want to add multiple unit of various products. At that time you can use the import functionality. So to import the multiple unit of measures of a product, there is an Excel file in which we need to enter the data. So this is the Excel file wherein there are 2 columns, that is product template and UOM. So here in the product template you can enter product barcode or product code, and here you need to enter the unit of measure for that product. So now we shall enter the data. So we have filled in the data. Here as you can see, this is the same product having multiple unit of measures. As mentioned earlier, for this video tutorial we have only taken this product as an example. If you want to add multiple unit of measures for more products, you can add as per your requirements. Now after entering all the data, we shall save this file and will import it. So to import the multiple unit of measure, we'll click here, we'll click on this arrow and we'll click on product UOM. As here you can see only this product is being displayed. This is because here this filter has been applied. So if we remove this filter, all the products are now being displayed. Then we shall click on import and we will click on load file. Click here and we will select this file that we have prepared. And here as you can see, the data is being displayed. Now we shall click on import. So now if you open this product and we go under product UOMs, these 3 UOMs has been imported. So this is how we can import multiple unit of measures for a product in Axanta ERP.